Oh, guys, guess what happened today? So I went to this event and I met LAUV. LAUV is one of my favorite artists, and when I met him, he told me that he liked my hair. When I told you guys, I almost peed myself, but I had to get my shit together. But anyways, LAUV is a singer of the song called I Like Me Better When I'm With You. Oh yeah. Anyways, in this event, he basically just showed like his fans how he makes music and what app does he use. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I wear and all that jazz. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned until the end. Bye guys, love you.
Hey, booty clap. Another clap. Cool. So anyways, there's like not that many sounds. You got me saying, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, guys.
These leather pants and this Rebel turtleneck from Forever 21, this black glasses, and this leather jacket, and these shoes maybe. Okay, so guys, I'm done, I'm ready. I'm gonna do a quick video because my Uber is outside. I did a simple makeup, you know. Let's go.
Yeah? Let's go. I love Logic. I can't use Pro Tools at all. I just can't do it. I hate it. It's just so sterile to me. So yeah, I use Logic. But I actually started this song when I was on an airplane. I was on tour, I forget where, and I started this beat. It was actually like the first or second beat that I made in Ableton, because I was like, okay, I see everybody using Ableton, and it seems like, so I'm getting really nerdy, it seems like so much more, the workflow seems so much more immediate and fun. So I was like, cool, I'll try Ableton. And that's when I started the beat for Fuck I'm Lonely, and I think it started like with this sound here. Just a little simple thing. I'm pretty sure this is like a stock Ableton sound. Just, you know, a little bell, a little chord progression, a little swing on the groove, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't sound so robotic. I still don't know how to use Ableton very well, okay? What am I doing? There we go. So I got that, and then I was like, I resampled one of my vocals from a different song. This little thing. Any chance we could turn it up? Does that mean that? I'm trying to break you guys' eardrums. So basically, hold on. And then there's another one of my vocals. And I was like, alright, it's got a little balance. Little thing, you know what I'm saying? And then I tried this sound, which didn't make it into the song. It was like, I don't know, too much. So I was like, not that. That's not it. And then from there, I think, what was the next thing I did? It was probably, I don't even know. Let's see. So, how many of you guys use Splice? Haha, haha. So I literally just found a drum loop on Splice, and then I chopped it up a little bit. What did I do? Yeah, I just chopped it up a little bit to kind of like change the pattern. And then we also have this little sound. Hey. Which is also, I think, a Splice oops. Oh, and then my favorite, quite possibly my favorite thing, this little snare. Love that. Gotta love a little snare. Random snare. Sparse drums. Yeah, so that's kind of like this little vibe. Ooh, tambourine. Tam. Let's go. Deep snare. And then, oh, hey, booty clap. Another clap. Cool. So anyways, there's like not that many sounds, you know, there's, oh, then the 808, this is the most important. Woo! And then I got this sound, which also didn't make it, it's pretty boring. Let's see, this guy right here. Just a weird ambient sound. So anyways, okay, so I got that, and then I'm bad at Ableton, right? So I was like, I'm gonna bounce all this out. I exported all of the stems, and then I brought it into Logic, and that was when I started to arrange it. And at this point, I had the beat vibe, and I was hanging out with 2 of my best friends in LA. I just gotten back from that tour, and I was working on my album, and we were just having a conversation. I don't remember exactly what happened, but I remember just saying in the conversation, fuck, I'm lonely. And my friend was like, we should make that into a song. And I was like, really? I don't know about that. And then we just did. I don't know. We just sat there for like an hour. And it was one of those songs, like I find a lot of my best songs, or like the ones that are, I guess, the most successful, are the ones that come the fastest because they're not really overthought. Like I find myself, I can easily overthink a song so much, like trying to make it so good, like analyzing this word and that word, and does the verse lead into the pre-chorus perfectly, and so on and so forth. And then I find like people just vibe with what they vibe with, so you don't have to think so much. And yeah, so basically we'd written the song, and yeah, I just pulled it into Logic, and it was kind of like, took a little intro. Yeah, that was kind of the vibe. Honestly, there's not that many sounds. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I think what I found, like, as a producer, like, my favorite stuff is very minimal. Like, there's not too many sounds. I feel like that's, like, my favorite stuff when it works out that way, when it's just, like, a chord sound, a little bit of drums, a couple little, like, weird sounds, like, whatever. That was off pitch. Great. And, yeah, and then I kind of let it, because, you know, when you have so many sounds to start with, then it's like, everything is very relative, you know? It's like a painting or any type of art, where like, when you have so much going on, it actually takes away, and so it feels smaller sometimes, than when you have a lot less going on and you have more space, and every sound that gets added is like, it's a big difference now.
I know you do like the minimalist thing, and the tendency in pop music.
So guys, you know, I wear this short hair, and LAUV just told me that he likes my hair. I hope nobody's here with me. Let me go pee, because I was holding this pee for like 30 minutes.